Okay, so for our third one, we're going to make an ocean in a jar. So I just had an apple juice bottle. You can use any bottle at home that you have. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill it up part way with water. Oops. And I also made some more dye, so I'm going to turn mine blue. But your ocean can be whatever color you want. But I just use blue markers. So you have that. Then you're going to add the rest of the way up, you're going to add some oil. And do you guys see the bubbles on the top? That's all the oil. Oil and water do not mix. So when you put them together, the water stays on the bottom and the oil stays on the top. And then we'll add our lid. And you can get mommy and daddy's help with this, because we should glue so none of the liquid opens. Put some super glue or a hot glue gun around the top, or tape. So then once you have your jar, you're going to shake it up. And it's going to look like ocean waves, which is pretty cool. And when you tip it to the bottom, do you see all the oil is going to the top? It won't mix with the water. But this is what waves kind of look like when we're at the beach and it hits the water hits the surf on the sand. So that's our ocean in a bottle. You can also add, I didn't have any at home, but I'm sure you guys do, some little animals in there if you'd like, some ocean animals that we've talked about. So some fish and crabs, starfish, anything you really have at home you can add to your ocean. Okay, so this is our last experiment I have for you guys. This one is called Rainbow Brew. So with this one, we're going to start to fill our jar with the vinegar. So you just want to do about that much. Okay. So with this one, we're going to use the same kind of reaction we did with our volcanoes, which is the vinegar and baking soda. So it will kind of fizz up. But this one's a little different, and it's because we are going to add dish soap to it. So we have our vinegar, and I'm going to dye it blue, this part blue. Let's see if it works. It's kind of a light blue. And I have another marker. So this one's blue. So this one, you can add glitter to your vinegar at this point, but I don't have any glitter, so I'm not going to do that part. But then we're going to add our dish soap. And we're just going to squeeze some in. So this, what the dish soap is going to do, when we normally explode vinegar with baking soda, it fizzes up super quick. And that's it. But with the dish soap, what's going to happen is instead of fizzing, it's going to make a foam. So it's going to last a little bit longer. So once you have this part done, you're going to take some baking soda. And they say put a heaping amount. So we're going to put some baking soda and watch it. Ooh, it's foaming, just like a brew. So then what you can do as well, which is really fun, is when your foam starts to go down a little bit, take your vinegar. I have dyed my vinegar just like I did my water. I put my markers in, and you can add different colors of vinegar. We can add more baking soda. Let's try yellow. And make sure you're doing this on a tray because it gets super messy. So, see, it's bubbling and foaming out of the top of my jar. You can add glitter, you can add paint. Oh no, camera's falling. But you can add glitter, you can add paint, you can add whatever color you'd like. If you have food coloring, I think it'll add more color to it. The markers don't really show all the color. But if you stir it, you activate it a little bit more, and it's like it never stops. It's filling up my tray. Okay, so those are my 4 experiments I had, you guys. I hope you really like doing them as much as I did. I miss you all so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in a few weeks. Okay, bye.